Hi everyone, welcome to Competitive Gan,
This is the part 19 of
Indian polity MCQ series, and in this part we will cover 50 important MCQ questions and answers. Let's start the session.
question number 1. Establishment of Panchayati Raj system was recommended by Answer was recommended by Balwant Rai Mehta Committee Report 1957. Next, functions to be assigned to Panchayats by 73rd Amendment of the Constitution are mentioned in Answer are mentioned in 11th schedule. Next, how many subjects are provided by 11th schedule of the Indian Constitution for Panchayats? Answer 29 subjects. Next, the first state to implement 73rd Constitutional Amendment was Answer Madhya Pradesh. Next, which one of the following was established as the first program of community development? Answer National Extension Service. Next, in India, seats are reserved for women in Answer in India, seats are reserved for women in Panchayat Raj institutions. Next, which article of the Constitution guarantees one-third representation of women in Panchayats? Answer Article 243D. Next, which article of the Constitution prescribes the duties of Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Answer Article 148. Next, in India, separation of judiciary from executive is enjoined by Answer is enjoined by Directive Principles of State Policy. Next, which of the following is related to the theme of grassroots democracy? Answer Panchayati Raj system. Next, a Panchayat Samiti at the block level in India is only a or an Answer coordinating and supervisory authority. Next, territory of a Kshetra Panchayat or Panchayat at intermediate level is determined by Answer state government. Next, a person can contest the Panchayat election if he has attained the age of Answer 21 years. Next, which is not among the powers of Panchayat Raj institutions in India? Answer judicial review. Next, Nyaya Panchayats in Panchayat Raj system has no powers of awarding imprisonment except in the state of Answer Bihar. Next, which one of the following is not an attribute of a local government? Answer central control. Next, under which article of the Indian Constitution the State Finance Commission is established? Answer under Article 243I. Next, who amongst the following is responsible for revenue distribution between the state government and local government? Answer State Finance Commission. Next, which of the following constitutional amendment acts accorded constitutional status to the municipalities? Answer the Constitution 74th Amendment Act 1992. Next, a constitutional government by definition is a Answer a constitutional government by definition is a limited government. Next, the tenure of a mayor in urban bodies is of. Answer: the tenure of a mayor in urban bodies is of 5 years. Next, under which article of the Indian Constitution is the District Planning Committee constituted? Answer: under Article 243 ZD. Next, state government has no authority over the local bodies in relation to which one of the following matters? Answer: citizens' complaints. Next, if a panchayat is dissolved, elections are to be held within. Answer: within 6 months. Next, who among the following competent authority to notify the territorial region of a municipality in state? Answer: the governor of the state concerned. Next, who notify the alteration in limits of Block and Zilla Panchayats? Answer: governor. Next, the tenure of every panchayat in India is 5 years from. Answer is 5 years from the scheduled date of its first meeting. Next, the member of Panchayat Samiti are. Answer: the member of Panchayat Samiti are directly elected by the people. Next, in Panchayat Raj system, the Panchayat Samiti is constituted at the. Answer: in Panchayat Raj system, the Panchayat Samiti is constituted at the block level. Next, a Panchayat Samiti at the block level is a. Answer: a Panchayat Samiti at the block level is an administrative authority. Next, scheduled tribe status is. Answer: scheduled tribe status is religiously neutral. Next, state having maximum scheduled tribes is. Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Next, in which of the following there is no reservation for any caste? Answer: all of the above. Next, the provision of National Commission for Scheduled Tribes is given in which article of the Constitution? Answer is given in the Article 338A. Next, disputes between states in India comes to the Supreme Court under its. Answer: under its original jurisdiction. Next, Article 14 guarantees equality before law and equal protection of laws to. Answer: to all persons living within the territory. Next, which one of the following articles provides the reservation of seats for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in panchayats? Answer: Article 243D. Next, under Indian Constitution, provision for scheduled tribes in Lok Sabha has been made under. Answer: has been made under Article 330. Next, Part XVI or Part 16 from Article 330 to 342 of the Indian Constitution deals with the. Answer: deals with the reservation of seats for SC or ST and representation of Anglo-Indian community in the House of People. Next, the authority to specify as to which caste shall be deemed to the scheduled caste rests with the. Answer: President. Next, what is correct about the powers of Zilla Panchayats of scheduled areas? Answer: to plan minor water bodies, to control over institutions in all social sectors, to control on tribal sublands. All of the above are the powers of Panchayats of scheduled areas. Next, the Central Vigilance Commission was established on the recommendation of which one of the following committee? Answer: Sanathanam Committee. Next, if the president of Zilla Panchayat is suspended, what will be happened? Answer: the members will elect president temporarily. Next, joint sitting of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha can take place to resolve deadlock over. Answer: to resolve deadlock over ordinary legislation. Next, every judge of the Supreme Court of India is appointed by. Answer: every judge of the Supreme Court of India is appointed by the President of India. Next, the doctrine of basic structure emerged in the case of. Answer: Keshavanand Bharati versus State of Kerala. Next, which among the following is the middle unit of the three-tier Panchayat Raj system? Answer: Panchayat Samiti. Next, the Speaker of Lok Sabha may resign his office by writing address to the. Answer: by address to the Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. Next, on which of the following dates Constituent Assembly of India adopted the national flag? Answer: on date 22nd July 1947. Next, which article of the Constitution of India safeguard one's right to marry the person of one's choice? Answer: Article 21. Like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.